Today I'll discuss some of the very important theorems related with right angle triangle. These theorems are given by Pythagoras. So one theorem you know already is the Pythagoras theorem, which is in the right angle triangle. So here this is the first one, that is 6.7 theorem. So it states that if a perpendicular is drawn from the right angle to the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle, then the triangle on the both sides, you can see this triangle and this triangle, both the triangles will be similar. So this triangle will be similar to the bigger triangle, and also these three triangles will be similar to each other. So that means this pink triangle and this triangle both are similar to the given triangle. So that means all the three triangles are similar to each other. This is the theorem. So I hope the statement is clear. If a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of the right angle of a right angle triangle, then it will divide the triangle in two similar triangles that will be similar to the given triangle. Now let's see how they are similar. So to understand this one, if this is a triangle ABC, now if you'll take the smaller triangle, if you'll take this triangle, this one, I'll just name it, so it is DBC. So in triangle DBC, we are saying that this BD is perpendicular, that means this angle will be 90 degree. Okay, so now here this is 90 degree, D is 90, D is also 90. Okay, and you can see the angle C is common in both the triangles. Angle C is common in both the triangles. I'm looking in triangle ABC and triangle DBC. So C is common in both the triangles, and angle D is equals to angle B, that is 90 degree. So both the triangles will be similar by which criteria? By AA. The same way, if you will see the other smaller triangle, so here you can see this angle A is common in this smaller triangle as well in the bigger triangle, and again same thing, here this angle is 90 degree and here in the bigger triangle this is 90 degree. So again both the triangles are similar by AA criteria. And now let's talk about the smaller two triangles. Let's see, if this angle is x, then this angle will be how much? This angle will be 90 minus x. Okay, now if this is 90 minus x, this angle will be x, as this is 90 degree. So now you can see both the smaller triangle, this angle is x, here also it is x. Okay, this is 90 degree and here also this is 90 degree. So both the triangles will be similar by AA. So this way we can prove this theorem. Now this is our well-known theorem, that is the Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So this theorem all of you know. So here what you have to do, you have to prove that the side AC square will be equals to AB square plus BC square. So this statement all of you know, and here we have to prove this. Now here what is given? Given in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree, okay, and BD is perpendicular to AC. So this is given. So here, now first let's see how can we prove this. So here we will use the similar triangles. Okay, as we know that the perpendicular drawn from the right angle divides the triangle in two similar triangles that we have discussed earlier. So that only we will use here. So in the first part, what I will do, I will take this triangle BDC. Okay, so first I will take the triangle BDC and the bigger triangle, that is your triangle ABC. Okay, so I'll take the smaller one BDC and then I'll take this with the ABC, that the given triangle. So now let's see, these we know already these are similar, so you can write it directly also, or else you can write like in the previous I've told, C is common and this angle is 90 degree and this is also 90 degree. So both the triangles will be similar. So this we know. This and this is 90 degree. So here you can write the ABC will be similar to triangle BDC, and you know the theorem, perpendicular drawn from the right angle in right angle triangle divides the triangle into similar triangles. So here if these two sides, these two triangles are similar, then their ratio of the corresponding sides will be same. Okay, so we will use that one. So you can write therefore, so opposite to 90 degree, which sides we have? In bigger triangle opposite to 90 we have AC, and in the smaller triangle opposite to 90 we have the side BC. Okay, so we will write AC by BC is equals to, now we will see in the smaller triangle we will take this angle. Okay, so this angle will be equals to which angle? This angle will be equals to this angle A. Okay, in the bigger triangle. So here we will write, here AC is from the bigger triangle, so opposite to this angle which I have mentioned here, opposite to A, which side we have? We have BC here, and the corresponding side to this in the smaller triangle is BDC. Okay, so this will be your ratio which will be equal. So from here you can write that BC square will be same as AC into DC. Make it equation number 1. Now the same thing we will do in the other triangle. So now we will go in triangle ABD and triangle ABC. So again these two triangles will be similar. So you can write that triangle ABC is similar to triangle similar to ADB. So reason, you can write the previous reason only. So now therefore what we can do here, again we will write the ratios of the corresponding sides will be equal, so that only we will do here. Now again first I will take the 90 degree. So opposite to 90 degree in the bigger triangle we have AC, but in the smaller triangle what we have? In the smaller triangle opposite to 90 degree, which side we have? This side AB. So I will write AC divided by AB equals to, now in the bigger triangle this angle C, opposite to C, which side we have? We have AB. Okay, but this angle C will be same as this angle. Okay, in the smaller triangle. So corresponding to this, which side we have? We have AB. Okay, so from here what we can write? We can write AB square is equals to AC into AD, and that will be our equation number 2. Now you can add both the equations. So after adding the two equations, equation number 1 plus 2 you will do. So you will get AB square plus BC square equals to AC into DC plus AC into AD. Now from here right side you can take AC common, so you will get DC plus AD. Now you can see in the triangle AD plus DC is same as AC. So the right part you can, right side you can write as AC into AC. Okay, so here this is AC square. So you will get AB square plus BC square equals to AC square, and hence we have proved this Pythagoras theorem. So this way we will